This video is for in class 44, simplifying with exponents. So with an exponent, you're going to want to rewrite the expression without any parentheses or negative exponents. It's simplified when there are no powers of powers. Each base appears only once. All fractions are simplest form, and there are no negative exponents. So to start, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your numbers and combine like terms. So for example, on number 1, you got 2 and negative 4, so you're going to take 2 times negative 4 and get negative 8. You have a cubed and a squared. When you multiply and add your exponents, you get a to the 5th. B to the negative 2 times b to the 4th. So negative 2 plus 4 is b squared, and then that's your answer. On the next one, I don't use the division rule where you subtract your exponents. I just ask you where there's more at. So out of the 12 and the 2, I can simplify both those by dividing them both by 2, so I get 6 on top. X to the 4th over x, there are 3 x's more on top, so that would be x cubed. Y squared over y to the 5th, there are 3 more y's, and they are on the bottom, so it's y cubed. And that's your answer. On 3, you're going to do a power of a power, so we're going to take 2 cubed, a squared cubed, 3 cubed, b cubed, and c to the 0 cubed. Remember, when you do powers of powers, you're going to multiply them, so 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. 3 cubed on the bottom, 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. A squared times a squared times a squared is a to the 6, or if I just take 2 times 3 and you get a to the 6. B cubed. And c to the 0 times 3, 0 times 3 is 0. C to the 0. 0 to anything is 1, so that's just my final answer. So, we're going to do the same thing. 6 cubed. Oops. Why are you not wanting to draw anymore? G to the 5th cubed. H to the negative 4th cubed. So 6 cubed is 6 times 6, which is 36. And then you have 36 times 6, which is 216. Sorry, it's not wanting to say in drawing mode. 216. So then you have g to the 15th and h to the negative 12. Well, the thing about exponents, if they are negative, they need to go to the other area. So everything is over 1. So if you have a negative exponent on the top, to make it happy, it needs to go down on the bottom. So your answer is going to be 216 g to the 15th over h to the 12th. And that would be your final answer. On the next one, a to the 0 is just 1. 24 divided by 3 is 8. A8 cubed is going to be a to the 24th. B cubed. And then I have b cubed on the bottom. That's going to simplify, so my answer is just 8 a to the 24th. We're going to simplify our fraction first and see what we need to do. So 2 and 54 gives me 27. So I got a 1 and a 27 on the bottom. A over a to the 4th, I have 3 more on the bottom, so it's a cubed. B to the 6th over b to the 5th, I have 1 more on top. And this is still the cubed root. So I'm going to do the cubed root of each one. So the cubed root of 27 is 3. The cubed root of a cubed is a. And then I just have the cubed root of b on top.